Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the platform. https://pro.opensea.io is the professional platform provided by Opensea, the leading marketplace for buying, selling, and discovering non-fungible tokens, NFTs. This enhanced version offers a suite of tools and features designed specifically for power users, collectors, and businesses operating within the NFT space. Navigating the complexities of the NFT market can be challenging, so Opensea Pro aims to streamline the process, making it more efficient and ultimately more profitable for experienced traders. The platform boasts several advantages over the standard Opensea experience. For instance, advanced analytics provide valuable market insights, allowing users to track trends, identify emerging collections, and make more informed decisions. Real-time data updates ensure you're always working with the most current information, crucial in the fast-paced NFT world. Bulk listing and buying options significantly reduce the time and effort required to manage large collections or execute multiple trades. This is a game-changer for serious collectors and investors. Personalized dashboards and customizable alerts help users stay organized and on top of their portfolio activity, allowing them to monitor specific collections, artists, or price points. Opensea Pro also prioritizes security with robust measures in place to protect user assets and information. Additionally, the platform provides dedicated support and resources for its professional users, offering a higher level of assistance than the standard platform. Whether you're a seasoned NFT trader or a business looking to expand into the digital asset space, Opensea Pro offers a comprehensive platform tailored to the needs of the more discerning user. It's designed to enhance the overall NFT experience, providing the tools and insights necessary to navigate this evolving market with confidence. This improved platform is aimed at streamlining the user experience, allowing for greater efficiency and potentially higher profits for serious NFT enthusiasts. By incorporating feedback from the community, Opensea Pro strives to continuously evolve and adapt to the ever-changing demands of the NFT landscape.